In this video, I will explain what is a setup sheet. In many cases, a CNC programmer is not necessarily the CNC setup machinist. What that CNC setup machinist will do, that person will install tools in CNC machines, install the parts in CNC machines, and also make all the adjustments and setting in the machines. So if that person does not know how the program is written, what type of fixtures needed, where the zero is, then that person will not be able to set up the machines. For this reason, a setup sheet is very important. So what does basically the setup sheet will tell that CNC setup machinist about the information where the part zeros is. So for example, I put the vise in here, and this is the material that we put in, and we will indicate this is the X0, Y0, the Z0, and we will indicate the approximate size of the block that we will cut. So this way the CNC setup machinist will know how to set up the parts, how to mount it. For example, in here, let's say we will put it at 0.2 inch mount, clamping area. Also, we will set up the zero right a little bit below the top surface. So this will give the CNC setup machinist an idea how to set up the parts. Another important part is the tools and descriptions. So it will in your MasterCAM program, you will have different type of tools. But in here, the CNC machinist is not going to go through your program and read all the different tools, and that person will not know what size that you use. So in here, it is a good example to set up all the tools available in the program. For example, the tool number 1, we are going to use 2-inch face mill. Tool number 2, we can use a drill, or tool number 3, we can use another end mill. And then the material, what material we have to use, because the program is, the RPM are set based on the material. So if you are using the wrong material, then program might not work. So for this reason, a setup sheet is very important for CNC machining. Now, in the setup sheet, you should put down the names of the programmer, and also the dates when the program created. Some people use company name, job title, and then the part number. But for this class, I just want you to give me a simple identifications about yourself, like your name, the dates that you create this program, this class number, the project number, and then you what is this for? Is it for the homework number 1, homework number 5? Is it for midterm, for final? So for all your submission regarding to the tool path, all of you will have to create a setup sheet in addition to the program. Now, this setup sheet, you can create it in MasterCAM, you can create it in AutoCAD, you can use PowerPoint. In fact, this one is done by PowerPoint. So the accuracy is not there. You don't have to create a very fancy drawing, basically blocks showing how this part is mounted. Is it because using a vise or a fixture? Is maybe you can use just a cropping from the drawing that you create in MasterCAM. You can crop the drawing. For example, I'm going to give you an example right now. So this drawing, I crop it from MasterCAM, crop it in here. I move the vise a little bit in the drawing, move it up. Again, there's no accuracy in here, so you're not creating another CAD drawing. Basically, you just have a drawing. You can even draw it by hand. And so in here, we indicate that's my XY0, that's my Z0. So that's how I mount it. And again, in here, that's my X0, Y0, that's how, and then the Z0, this is how I mount it. So this setup sheet will give the setup machinist the idea about the program. This is why it is very important is the document between the CNC programmer and the CNC setup machinist.